Hello, everybody. Web design companies have been working at a frenzied pace throughout the pandemic. The new year 2022 will be soon here, and so, what are the latest trends to look for? Here are 6 unique web design trends which you must work on in 2022. The first is better page load time. Every year, this trend shows up, and the internet users seem to only get more impatient. Remember 2000? It was perfectly fine for a website to take about 30 seconds to load. But today, most users will bounce back if it takes more than 3 seconds. The average concentration time of the adult gets lesser with time, and your website has to be fast to impress the visitor. The site design and the content in it should allow your website to load faster. Sites with simple site designs have a fast load time. These sites seem to have a better conversion rate as well than even the ones with highly appealing web designs but higher loading time. The second point is dark mode. This trend first came on the list in 2019, but it is here to stay. There were only a few applications that implemented the dark mode option at the start, but now even Google seems to have joined the dark side. The appeal of the dark mode is that it highlights the content in the site and also reduces the strain on the user's eyes. With the amount of nighttime browsing, it is understandable why people are ditching the conventional light theme to choose the dark mode. Optimize your website to enable the dark mode if the user desires. The third trend is minimalism. The screen time of the users has been increasing, but they need instant information. The use of extensive decorative elements can soon turn annoying and reduce the traffic to your website. With an increasing number of people using smaller devices like smartphones and tablets to browse, minimalistic, responsive web designs are the way to go. For example, white space is one of the minimalist trends that has received the nod. White space refers to the empty space, and it can be of any color. When used effectively, white space can create a simpler layout which will help the users focus on the important content. The fourth point is usage of gradients. Instagram was the pioneer of this particular trend, but now it has become more than subtle color overlays. The site that uses gradients creates a deeper look for the viewers and subtly adds texture to the illustration. There are 2 trends in the gradients. The monochrome method uses one color to smoothly transition to white or a lighter shade. The second method uses maximally contrasting colors and allows division of the page into 2 fields. For gradients, pastel and blurry shades are preferred compared to bright or acidic shades. The fifth point is voice search for contactless interaction. Statistics suggest that about 32% of people use voice search daily instead of typing, and this figure is only expected to increase in the future. With the success of voice search assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant, voice search optimization has become a necessity. Websites should think of including long-tail keywords based on how people speak every day rather than how they type. This will help with a better user experience and effective website design. The sixth point is dynamic scrolling and design for thumb. Dynamic scrolling is another minimalistic feature that will increase the web traffic to your website. Dynamic scrolling or single page scrolling means including all your featured content on a single page. Users prefer the single page content over websites in which you will have to click to access another page. Also, dynamic scrolling is great for people who use mobile devices to browse the website. With about 53% of the web traffic coming from smartphones, the need to create mobile-friendly web design becomes essential. We have only scraped the surface, friends, with the website designs and trends that we have mentioned above. There is much more you can achieve by optimizing your website for the newest web design trends. Connect with us at info@localbiznetwork.com to redo your website or to create a brand new user-friendly modern website. Do like and subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss these informational tidbits. And thanks for listening and have a lovely day.